Introducing the color key VividPar HEX 12. The VividPar HEX 12 is an intensely bright and vivid 144 watt hex-colored RGBAW+UV LED wash light. It will easily illuminate your events with richly saturated colors, a variety of whites, and a brilliant ultraviolet, while offering simple push-button control with the included IR remote. Our lightweight yet rugged housing and split yoke mounting brackets make positioning your light on the floor or hung from a truss simple and effective. Use the thumb tightening screws to quickly direct light where you need it. Also, take advantage of the built-in master-slave auto programs and let VividPar HEX 12 run unique light shows when more than one VividPar HEX 12 is connected in series. Get the effects of a programmed lighting controller, all with our built-in slave auto program settings. Power and DMX512 also make VividPar HEX 12 a great choice for mobile DJs, bars, clubs, and corporate events. The color key VividPar HEX 12. Check it out at your local lighting dealer today. And for more options, check out the color key VividPar HEX 6, our 72 watt hex-colored RGBAW+UV LED wash light. Visit colorkeyled.com for more information. And be sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date information on new color key product releases.